This is Good Morning Mumbai, and you're with Rishi K.
Radio 1.
Saurabh Mittal from Circle Wealth Advisors comes in every single day talking finance. And it's a brand new day, brand new week. Good morning, Saurabh. How was your weekend?
Good morning. It was awesome, really, Rishi.
Excellent. Now, the Kisan Vikas Patra has just been launched.
Yes.
Let's talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, so it was launched on last Tuesday, that is on 18th of November by our Finance Minister, Mr. Arun Jaitley. Now, it is a very common investment avenue and a lot of people know about it. It was first introduced in 1998 as a part of small saving schemes, but it was withdrawn back in 2011. Now it has been reintroduced.
What's the current structure, Saurabh?
Yeah, so in current structure, the money is getting doubled in 100 months. That is around 8 years and 4 months. So basically, it means whatever amount you invest today, you'll get the double of that amount in 8 years and 4 months. Now, it is a very common thing and it will be available in all the local post office. And basically, there will be no name printed on the investment.
Okay.
So you just go and walk in. There is no proof of KYC or any other proof which is required. You just pay the money and get the certificate. So it is transferable to any other person or transferable to any other post office.
And what are the denominations that they're available in?
Yeah, so it is available in denominations of 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 and 50,000. And there is no upper limit to the amount that you can invest in this.
All smart investors will ask you if there's a lock-in period.
Yeah. So it is a investment with a big tenure of 8 and 4 months, but the lock-in period is only for 30 months. That is for 2.5 years.
Okay.
Now, if you calculate the returns on it, the coupon rate which the government is declaring 8.5%, but the return actually generated is 8.67% because it is compounding on a half-yearly basis,
Okay.
which is close to the 10-year government bond, which is currently trading at the yield of 8.25%.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah.
But in terms of tax benefits?
Yeah, so there are no tax benefit absolutely. When you invest, there is no tax benefit. In fact, whenever it is maturing, the returns are taxable in your hand.
So what would be your personal recommendation?
Right. So Circle Wealth advisors recommend that it's better to have debt allocations in instruments which have more liquidity. For example, mutual funds or even fixed deposits. Mutual funds are also tax efficient. Secondly, invest in equities if you are not already invested in equities. There are higher chances of making a better return as compared to 8.67 in KVP. And at the best, you can invest to reach a goal which coincides with this time horizon of 100 months.
Fantastic. And your parting thoughts before you go, Saurabh?
Right. So I want to quote this quote from Peter Lynch, and it's very relevant to what we just discussed. He said that know what you own and know why you own it.
The why is so important.
Right.
Where can we reach out to you?
Yeah, so you can reach me at saurabh@cwa.co.in or you can follow me on Twitter at my handle Saurabh S. Mittal.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.